So here today we are taking out a the stock radio out of a 2013 Ram Tradesman. It did not have navigation, it just had a regular 3-inch screen. And we're gonna be installing a 8.4 in here. And this is, we already installed the conversion harness, and it runs through here down from the dash, and here is where the temperature module is gonna go once we're done. Okay, so now we have installed the 8.4 system, and we have already installed the wires. Just need to install the temperature module, which is on order. So once I get that, it will just plug in here into this. So we're gonna put this on the older bezel, and it will go right in. So we finally got everything in there, and this is where we're gonna enter the theft code, and we've already plugged everything in. And then this is the bezel that we have. You just have to change the climate controls, and all the screws go in, and then you just plug and play afterwards. And we're gonna plug it in. So now we're gonna enter the code.
Because they are coming. They said, listen, I was watching.
See, now it says your unit system restart will active shortly. So now we're just gonna plug in this.
I ain't bragging now. Don't get me wrong, because everybody is just one paycheck away from the check, okay? But one thing about it is that I was watching the people talk about, like, I haven't paid rent in 2 years, but I don't have the money. So what did you do with the money for the 2 years? Now, I know some people didn't have their jobs and their positions and everything, and UE, okay, and PPP. They had a lot of ABCs out there helping folks get that money. So I'm...
Okay, so now it has restarted with the Ram logo. This was out of a Jeep. So once you enter the code, and it restarts everything. And now you just gotta set, and then everything comes up as the Ram. Okay, so we finally got everything put in, and as you can see, it's all working. The volume and everything works. All I have to do is just put the module in here, in that plug, in this plug right here, and it goes up here. And you can put it anywhere, and then just ground it, and then the resistor. And that'll be it. And then the climate will work. Right now I just have to order those in, so the only thing that's not working right now is just the climate part, but everything else is working fine. So, and it also has weather and everything in it as well.